Hi, Gary here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. You may have seen the video series I did on QuickBooks Online Advanced plan, showing how to use the advanced accounting features that are available only in the advanced plan. Now, in addition to those features, there are improvements to the reporting function. There are more reports available as standard reports and more options to customize those reports, including pivot tables. Now, I don't think I would upgrade my plan for these reporting improvements alone, but if you are on an advanced plan, these tips might be useful to get the most from your subscription. So let's take a look.
Well, we're still having challenges where I cannot get into a sample company. So in order to demonstrate some of the reporting functions in the advanced with the different pivoting and the different columns, I thought I would just use the report that I created to show you how to use custom fields, but put it into the advanced format. So if you watched my video about how to create reports using custom fields in the old format, here we are back again with the same information. Now, one of the things that I was told that was so fabulous about this advanced reporting was the ability to use calendar drop-down dates. I didn't think that was new. I thought if you went to custom dates, you popped down and you could use the calendar. So I'm not too sure why that's exciting. I don't think it is exciting. I'm just going to go back and change this to all dates for the purpose of this. We're going to have it for only certain products. So we're going to choose to select the products or services and only the blue products. You can see how imaginative I was when I created this report. So our secondary condition is going to be for the blue products. So you can see here we've sold 6 blue products to another test customer, and we've sold 12 blue products to just our basic test customer. We still have our referred by. There's no sales rep on this one. Let's just pop in that. I'm sure that was me. Let's just see if we're missing the sales rep on the end. There we go. It was just a quick refresh, and now we can see Naveen, so that's great. So that was a very simple way to add some more columns and do some filtering. Now, what if we want to pivot? Maybe we want to be able to actually, I'm going to remove one of those filters just so we have the full information, okay? So if it's a little bit more interesting when we pivot it. So we've got our red products and our blue products back in here. So we're going to go to pivot here. And I'm going to decide to pivot by who referred and then by customers. So let's have a quick look and see. Oh, and we'll go with sales, the amount. And let's just see how quickly that is. We've got that information. James has referred another test customer, 825. Sarah has referred another test customer, and test, very unimaginative, for 32,000. That took us seconds to pivot that information. And that's one of the main advantages of this advanced reporting, is just how quickly you can get these amazing summaries. You also might have noticed that if I want to look at some of these things, if I want to look at some of these filters, for example, it's a lot easier because we have drop downs. So now if we want to see this only by sales rep, we can just pop to our filter, add another condition, and here's hoping that I find one that's got the right thing in it. So if the sales equals, we're going to say, hopefully Jennifer will have some information. Let's have a look. Yes, we can see that Sarah referred some information to Jennifer, and it was another test customer. It's a really, really powerful tool. I'm not too sure that this is the best example of it. You can do this in your income statement. You can do it with, well, we've done it with sales. You could do it with expenses. It's pretty much limited by your imagination. It's a really, really powerful tool.
I would love to know what you think. Are these reporting options useful? There's also Spreadsheet Sync, that's a bit of a mouthful, where you export data into Excel, manipulate it, import it, and update QuickBooks Online. I haven't made a video on that yet. It's quite powerful and terrifying tool. Anyway, if this reporting stuff was helpful to you, please do click like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, ring that bell to be notified when I make a new video. If there's a topic you'd like to learn more about, let me know. Cheers.